Well, hi everyone, this is Kim. Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel where I delve into all things technology, automotive, and just randomness actually. Today's video is about how to buy a car on Amazon. That's right. You can get just about anything on Amazon. A slushy maker cup, a count of brown bread, rubber chicken purse, an umbrella hat, a leopard print area rug, a Selfie Sisters garden gnome, and now a brand new Hyundai. That's right, you can buy a car on Amazon. Links to all these other fun items will be in the description below if you want to research those. This is my favorite. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, it sounds a little crazy, but why not? The entire pre-purchase takes place on Amazon. You can research vehicles, choose trim level, colors, options. Amazon will locate cars near you. Now, the dealer will set the pricing. Amazon does not set the pricing. If you want the car, arrange purchase and pick it up at a local dealer. Now, I've not played with this yet. I wanted us to kind of dive in and play with it together. So we will discover the process. And let's see what we think about it. This should be fun. So let's go see how it works. It's called Hyundai Evolve. It's Hyundai's next generation showroom on Amazon. Before we head over, this is what they say about it. Shopper assurance redefines the way you shop for a new Hyundai. You expect on-demand, personalized tools and services, so shopping for a car is no different. Shopper assurance is Hyundai's commitment to shorter transaction times, more transparency, and improved customer satisfaction through consumer-focused online tools and services. Here's how Shopper Assurance helps you make a confident decision about buying your next Hyundai. Okay, this is what they said. It has transparent pricing. Dealer provides their price up front and on other dealer websites. Streamlined purchase, online tools to fill out paperwork and get pre-qualified without ever stepping foot at the dealership. Get your trade-in value online too. Flexible test drive, convenient ways for you to schedule a test drive at your location, at a dealership, all booked on an app or by calling the dealership directly. 3-day worry-free exchange. Not happy? Return it within 3 days and exchange it for another new Hyundai. This all sounds fine and dandy, but let's see how it actually works. Let's head on over to Amazon and play with this. While I'm getting us to the right spot, I would love it if you could like this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would be great. Okay, so here we go. I pulled it up. You basically can just Google Hyundai on Amazon and it'll bring you right to this page. You can choose where you want the car delivered. I picked Thousand Oaks because that's where I am, but you basically can type in any zip code. 91360 is here, so hit done. If you're logged in, it will to Amazon. It'll give you your own individual area, but I'm not logged in right now. I just wanted to view this as a let me move this. I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, as a guest. So here we go. Hyundai Amazon, Hyundai Evolve. Welcome to the future of car shopping. It basically shows you the lineup of all their cars. Here they have some specific cars that they're going to highlight. The Ioniq 5. Incredible all-electric range. Let's see what's the next one. They have the 2024 Tucson. Modern adventure SUV. Okay, so those are the two that they're featuring, but you could go down here lower and the Ioniq 5, the Tucson, Kona Electric. It also tells you the starting price of each. The Kona, this is the electric and gasoline. This is the gasoline, I guess. Santa Fe, Ioniq 6, the Elantra, the 2024, 2023, I see. Different years. 2023 Sonata, 2024 Venue, 2024 Santa Cruz, and the Palisade. So you can just pick one and then, you know what, let's see. Let's pick one that's I'm just going to pick this one's kind of middle of the road. So the lower ones are in the lower 20s. Here's a 30, here's 28, 42. Let's just pick this one. Shop now. So let's just go ahead. This is a 2024 Hyundai Kona. Our small SUV that's big on adventure. Okay, so what is this? Oh, here we go. So this is the exterior. We can drag and look at the car. It's cute, little SUV. We can view the interior. Let's click on view interior. And maybe, oh, here we go. Drag to explore. So you can kind of see what it looks like. There's a little stripe on the seat. That's cute. Okay, it has a sunroof. Here's the little controls above here. There's your mirror. Looks like it has a pretty large screen. Anyways, okay, so let's say we want to create a car and to buy it. So let's click on next, create. And then here we go. It tells us a little bit about it. Front wheel drive, 26 city, 32 highway, 28 combined. All-wheel drive, 24 city, 29 highway, 26 combined. 190 horsepower, 1.6 liter turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder engine. 19-inch alloy wheels, power tilt and slide sunroof. N-line exterior. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I went down here. Okay, so, oh, I see. So we have some options. So this is the N-line. This did not save my zip code, so let's just put that one in there. I want to search near me to see what's available. So we've got, these are N-line. Not sure how I got to N-line. But these are cars that are near me, I guess. Gives you the VIN, the MSRP, the color, and the trim line. Okay, I guess I clicked on that one. So this is at the Westlake Hyundai. This is near me. This is the dealer near me. This is one car. I guess I picked one. Oh, I see. Here's N-line and here's limited. I guess those are the two trim lines that it has. Let's compare the features. The N-line to the limited. The MSRP, $30,650 and $31,650. So $1,000 more for the limited. Gives you more colors. Exterior colors and an additional color. You can get gray or black on the interior. Front wheel drive. So they're both similar. They both have the similar features. They both have an option of all-wheel drive. This one comes with LED daytime running lights. This one's an option. This comes with this N-line badging and everything. This is not available interior. So you can go through all the features. We don't really need to go through all this. Okay, so that was comparing. I'm going to go ahead and go with the limited because it had more colors. So white. And it shows you a sample of the color. So it's not showing me the red one. Oh, there we go. It just took a minute. So there's the red. What's this yellow color? Okay, that's kind of gross. Sorry. Orange. Okay, let's see if there's an orange one around. Don't really want orange, but let's just see. Okay, I don't want any of these actually, but let's go ahead and pretend like we want the orange. Okay, so now let's locate a car. Oh, there actually are some. In Oxnard, Van Nuys, Fontana. Fontana's pretty far from me, but okay, so it tells you the VIN number. This one's probably the closest to me. So let's go ahead and estimate our payment and plan our next step. Well, here's see more. Let's see more about the car. Okay, so it shows the difference between these, but they all look similar. Is in stock, is in stock, is in stock. Okay, I guess we're looking at this one. So we can estimate payments. Okay, I have more than 740, so there we go. Let's put that. 3.65 APR with excellent credit, 4.68 for great, 7.65 for good. Let's see. Let's say I wanted to go 60 months. Down payment, let's give a little bit more. Oh, so if you adjust how much you're going to put down, let's say we're going to put 10,000. And your estimated cost with excellent credit for 60 months would be about 467. Or you can look at the lease information. You wouldn't want to put any down on a lease. Don't ever put anything down on a lease. That's money you're just kind of throwing away. It doesn't really benefit you. Why? Because if you're leasing a car and something happens to the car, you never get that money back. It's just like thrown away. So never a good idea to put money down on a lease. So even with nothing down, 60 months, I don't know. I don't think this is accurate on a lease, but okay, whatever. So let's go out. Because we're not, let's go, can we go back? Okay, done. Here we go, done. Okay, so let's buy on the dealer site, I guess. I have no idea. Let's just see. Go click to buy. So we're just playing around here. Let's just see. These are the pictures of the actual car, maybe. It tells us all about it. Here's our warranty, 5 years, 60,000, 5 passenger, 4-door. So here's the package that it has. Wheel locks, first aid kit, cargo tray, cargo net, carpeted floor mats. So here you can do your trade. I don't have a trade. Vehicle contract, prepaid maintenance, tire and wheel protection. So I don't know if you have to get those things. Okay, let's just pretend that we're going to pay cash. Oh, we have to fill this all out. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay, never mind. So I don't know if you get any deals. I don't really want to fill anything out. So this is the MSRP. In order to get the savings, you have to fill out the form. In order to get your trade, this is in addition to the down payment. So this is basically like you're actually just going to this dealer's website. It has really nothing to do with Amazon anymore at this point. So all Amazon really is doing is helping you see which kind of car you want. Do the research maybe. So like if we're back here, and then it's just taking you to the dealer site where you're going to do everything else. So this isn't really helping us buy the car. It's just helping us research the car. Let's see if there's a different dealer that, let's just do a different car. Let's just do this one. Let's create again. I want to just see a different dealer. Let's see. Let's just SEL. I want this color. Let's locate it. Let's pick a different dealer. Hyundai at Santa Monica. Let's just pretend like we're going to go there. Oh, we went to Keys Hyundai of Mission Hills. Okay, let's see if this one any different. Is it going to give us a deal right up front, or do we have to like... So this one's giving $1,000 off. Okay, well, this is giving us at least some more information. Here we get $7,500 off on most Hyundai models. $1,000 dealer discount. Here we have the military offer, college grad offer, first responder offer. So this dealer is at least giving us some discounts up front, but it still has nothing to do with Amazon anymore. It's basically just forwarding us to this car at the dealer site, and we figure out everything from here. So Amazon really isn't allowing us to do much other than research. And it's forwarding us to a car dealer, which is kind of what it said. But I kind of was thinking it would have more yeah, it's not really interesting. So if you need help researching a car and you want to look all in one place and do it versus being on Hyundai.com or whatever, I'm not really sure what Amazon benefits there are. You know what? Let's just go to Hyundai.com. Hyundai.com. Let's see what it looks like there as far as what the difference would be. Okay, so I don't remember what cars we picked. Let's build and price a car. Not sure what the difference is. We did a Kona, right? That was that limited one that we picked in orange. Let's see. Sure, we'll accept you. Let's do this one again. So we did the limited. Okay. It's the same price that we had over there. Let's build it. We picked the orange one. Okay, finish your build. So it's still gonna... So here it's giving us at least some options. We could get some mud guards. Okay, we don't want to customize. Let's... So it's basically the same thing as just going to Hyundai.com. I'm not sure what the big deal is about looking on Amazon. I'm sorry, this wasn't actually what I expected. Really doesn't make any difference. So there you go. The Amazon store is pretty much the same as going to the Hyundai.com website. You still have to go to the dealer and get your pricing. Yeah, so that was kind of wah-wah. Sorry. Anyways, well, now we know. So there wasn't really much benefit to doing the Amazon store versus just going to Hyundai.com. Well, sorry, but yeah, there you go. It was interesting to think about, but it really didn't benefit us at all. Maybe as it becomes more rolled out and there becomes more of a benefit to doing it on Amazon, but right now I don't see that there's a benefit at all. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. If you want a Hyundai, just go to Hyundai.com, I guess. You could do the Amazon one. I don't see the difference. Maybe just go to the Hyundai dealer local to you, or yeah. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.